This is Kitchen and Cocktails. I've been seeing a lot about this. I'm gonna go check it out. I'm downtown. Let's roll, y'all. Y'all, this is Kitchen and Cocktails downtown Chicago. About to sit down and have a drink. I've been seeing a lot about this on Facebook and advertisements. First time here, y'all. Let's check it out. Y'all, this is the blackberry margarita with real blackberries in there. Check it out. And this is the rum punch with pineapples and orange slices. Let's check it out, y'all. So this is the Chicago River Walk. We about to come down here, take a walk on the Chicago River Walk at night. It's bars, it's food, it's all types of stuff. Let's roll, y'all. Oh, this. Say what?
I said it's so hot, I don't know what to do.
You guys do come down here. This is where you get all the boat cruises. You can come here, you can grab your boat cruise. All the stuff off the Chicago River is right here. They got a little boat ride, stuff like that. You can come check it out. So you can come do this. It's tight.
On fire, ooh, down to the wire. It's my life in the shy. Ooh, it's my life in the shy.